Hi there, I'm Mimi Wipinay and I am here to show you how to keep veggies and fruits fresh longer with these Eparé produce bags. These Eparé produce bags are 10 pieces and they come with different sizes and colors. Alright, so you can fit different veggies and fruits and I'm gonna show you. So let's try and put in some apples here, and you'll just have to unzip and zip. All right, so you can see this is how we usually go to the groceries and put our produce, right? So on these wasteful plastic bags, but with this Eparé produce bags, we're gonna be saving money and we're gonna be saving earth, right? And in each of these mesh bags, you will be eliminating 1,000 plastic bags. Imagine that for its entire life. Okay, and we no longer need this. There we go. So now we have our apples in there. Okay, so there are again different sizes. There are small ones like this, and we can put our sweet bell peppers in there. So there we go. Let's pause that for a while so I could remind you of the link down on this video's description where you could get these Eparé produce bags, durable and reusable, that will keep your veggies and fruits fresh longer. Alright, and of course I have some ginger here. So this is a little bigger than another one. Okay, there we go. And we have long one as well. If you have like the long eggplants or peppers, green peppers like this, they can fit inside. And there you go. Oh, awesome. And we also have these sizes. I think I can put my tomatoes in here. So let's put some tomatoes in here. One again. All right. And these mesh bags are also washable. You can wash it by hands and also air dry them. Okay, just air dry. And again, we don't need this anymore. All right, so here you can see we have more of them as they go with 10 pieces. I have a romaine lettuce, so I think I can put it here in one of the big sizes. All right, so let's see. Can fit. Yay! See, I have more here. So this is the way to save money, right? A lot of dollar saving. And of course, as you can see, these are all reusable, beautiful designs. And now we're ready to put it on my fridge. While here, let's do a comparison of the result of putting in your bell pepper in this recording is on the Eparé bag, while these two bell peppers will be inside this market plastic bag. And let's see after 5 days the differences. Here we are at day 5, guys. So let's check our sweet little peppers and see if they are still fresh and shiny. And as you can see, ooh, look at that, right? Still fresh and shiny and not mushy, right? So let's see here. I'll grab the other peppers that are in the fridge for 5 days and see the difference. The wrinkly and the mushy. So go get your Eparé produce bags.